Hello guys, this is Mayur here and welcome to my channel Moey Adda once again. So first of all, wish you a very happy Diwali to all of you. And today I am going to show you a very unique technique, a very simple, a very easy technique to make an organic fertilizer. So it is basically from all the ingredients, or you can say all the wastes from your kitchen. This is not a composting, this is a very simple technique, and the fertilizer is ready within 3 days, and I personally have used it and the results are awesome. So this kind of a fertilizer should be useful for the plants which actually have buds and eventually they turn into flowers. So for such type of plants, may it be vegetable plant or may it be some flowering plants, so you can use that with all such kind of plants and the results are awesome. You should also try. So let's quickly go through that technique.